Hey guys, so today I want to do a little informative video real quick, just some new news that came out, and this will affect probably a lot of people, but Honda just announced, if you haven't already heard, that starting July 1st, so this already happened a couple weeks ago, it will no longer allow you, if you're leasing a Honda or Acura, to turn it into a different dealership or a third party. Now, here's some information on it. Before, you could take a leased car and you could turn it into any dealer you want. You can go to, GM, Ford, whatever you want, and they'd buy it off you. Or recently, what you guys I'm sure have seen, CarMax, Carvana, Vroom, all those different companies will buy your car off you for a lot more than they're worth usually, especially right now with the chip shortage. Well, that's no more. Honda said if you're leasing a vehicle, either Honda or Acura, it has to go to a Honda or Acura dealer. This has to do with the chip shortage. So they don't want like these third-party companies taking up all the used cars, and then Honda doesn't have much to sell, and then people are ordering new cars and you can't even get those in either. So it kind of protects them in a way, but also if you're leasing one of their cars and you wanted to, jump ship and go to a different manufacturer, it kind of limits you. You're going to have to ride that out. And then at the end of the lease, turn it into, like I said, Honda or Acura. And then that's when they'll go, check all the mileage on it, any dents, scratches, all that kind of stuff, and try to get more money out of you. So it's kind of big news. I've never even heard of that happening, but I guess GM is already doing it. And Honda is the latest company now to join them. So I wanted to share that with you in case you guys are, leasing a car, Honda or Acura. You're thinking about, trading it in to CarMax to get a ton of money for it and then go buy another car. Well, you won't be able to if it's leased. So that's something to think about. Before I was seeing some crazy prices that CarMax was giving for cars, usually paying more than the people even bought them new for. So that's good. If you want to get out of the car, it was perfect timing. But I think Honda realized what they were doing. They were sucking up all the used cars, and then Honda doesn't really have much to sell. If you've ever driven by one of the lots, I live close to one, and they don't have many cars anymore like they used to, new or used. So I could see why they're doing that for sure. So the article at the very end says, so Honda and Acura leasees, they can still buy out their lease. So if you want to convert it to a loan, you can go to a bank, take out what you owe on it, and convert it to a purchase. They'll still allow that. But what they won't allow is another company to do that. So be it another car manufacturer or the CarMax and all those kind of things. So that's kind of big news. Like I said, I was shocked when I heard that because they're really tightening down now and limiting what you can do. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys were, like I said, if you're leasing a car and you're thinking about getting a ton of money for it, planning your new car, you might want to look into this because that might prohibit you from doing so depending on where you want to go with it. Kind of locks you into, their brand, which is, of course, what they want you to. So just want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe. Have another video coming up very shortly. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks, everybody.